Oh, we nearly did it. Your side of it. No, the top. No.
Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel, Has and Cars, always.
Today we are doing a slime video, as you can probably tell.
As you can probably guess.
But not only are we doing a slime video, we're also doing a Who Knows Each Other Better challenge. The loser will have to get the slime poured on top of their head.
Yeah, so it's kind of like a 2-in-1
video. So stick around for the end of the video for that. But first, let's make this slime. We're making 3 different slimes and then we're going to mix them all together.
Here we go.
Oh, that looks good. Let's focus on this bad boy. There we go, guys.
Shake, 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 shake.
What happens if I touch the glue? Is it just, it's
You
just
will
glue?
get gluey hands.
Yeah, I
I
guess so.
imagine. I imagine.
There it is. So we have the slime in the containers. Our purple slime, our white slime, and our white slime number 2. Alright, let's add these ingredients in. You go first. Oh wow.
So pretty. I don't know if you can see that, guys, but it's just so pretty. Like, it just sparkles.
You'll definitely be able to see this, guys. I'll put it in right on the camera. Oh, there we go. Beautiful. And now, guys, a bit of pink. Ooh, this is going to look great once we stir it up.
And now putting the yellow in. So here we go. Oh, pretty.
Look, that looks really cool so far.
The glue is covering up the glitter.
Well, that's unfortunate. All turning one colour. I'm adding orange in to save the day. Orange! Oh. I don't care, mine's gonna be crazy.
I'm gonna add a purple in just because why not?
This is a disaster so far, seriously.
See, look at that, guys. It's just the glue's literally hiding it all. Now, we will add the solution.
So that makes the slime all slimy.
So mix it up. We add 1, 2, and just see how we go. It's activating already. Look at that, guys.
Wow, that looks slimy as.
This is cool. Because we don't want it to be too runny.
No.
We want it to be like a putty.
I'm gonna add a tiny bit to this. I've created a monster! This is actually not looking too great right now. Can't wait to mix all this together and pour it on Kaylee's head.
Aren't you funny? You are not pouring it on my head.
Yes,
You
I
can
am.
pour it on my body, but not on my head.
Fine, I'll pour it on your face then.
You can pour it on my chest,
No,
back.
I'm pouring on your face.
No,
Yep.
no.
Yep.
Oh, here we go. It's coming together though.
We got our assistant. Say hello.
Hello.
You ready to help with the slime?
Yes.
Stir that one.
Oh. Okay, guys.
Is it working?
I
Stir
think
it.
it's worked.
This is not the best attempt at a first slime. So your slime's ready. What the hell is my slime? What's your slime look like that and my slime looks like that?
Because you need more borax. This is just too thick, guys. I think I'm gonna put maybe more glue. Maybe that might solve it.
Alright.
And
Oh, this is turning so clumpy, Leo.
let's do that.
But this was supposed to be good.
It was
But
supposed
it's just
to
like
be.
it's just like ripping apart straight away, guys.
Yeah.
Yuck. Good slime. Oh, no, you nearly missed the bowl.
Lucky you.
It's actually not a bad slime,
How do you feel?
as far as slimes go. These two are looking pretty good, to be honest. And Kaylee's just working on the third one. Yeah, I'm gonna put it on Leo's head.
No.
No. These ones are like the same texture now.
It's all about the mixing.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't.
This is a fluffy one. I like this one. This one's a good one. I want to keep this one.
Oh wow, look at that.
It,
Oh wow, that's like pasta slime. Ooh. I reckon
Okay, I think we can mix them together now.
Yes! Alright, here's the moment you guys have patiently waited for. It's time to mix the slimes together. Oh no, this one's really bad. Slime number 1. Let's mix these two first. Oh my god.
Ready, guys? The third one going in.
That looks good to me.
I think this is coming together quite nicely, though.
Here, let's start with these bowls. Oh, so let's add some of these. Let go. Alright, that's enough. That's enough. Oh my god. Let's see it. It's like a big clank of fat. Hang on, can we open this? Alright, that's enough. Look at that slime. Got ourselves a big... Oh wow, this slime really stretches. Oh no!
It's a big.
Wow, I can't believe how much it stretches. At the bottom, perfect. Bone.
No.
Look at the slime.
This is gonna be one weird texture slime.
The slime.
Ready?
Let's see if we can get this as big as possible. It's not the whole screen.
Oh no.
Oh no, Leah! This is
Yeah, let's just add all this.
Alright, add it all. Let's go crazy. Wow. This is crazy. I'm gonna add a tiny bit more of this too. Oh, that was too much.
No, this is good.
This is crazy. Look at that, Leah.
This is gonna be disco
What the
slime.
Slime then.
Look at this.
Wow.
Wow.
Now can we fill up the whole screen with slime? Just let it kind of... Oh, getting it in the middle, hang on.
Wow.
Let it fall there, don't do it! We're gonna cover up the whole screen, hang on, come down a bit. I'm gonna come up a bit here. Oh, we nearly did it, your side of it. No, the top, no! Oh, that was so close. Now look what we've done. This is so much more of a...
Yes.
Oh, it's on the tea towel.
This is such a cool slime, guys.
Alright, there you have it. Thank you so much for watching that disaster of a slime making.
And whoever is going to be slimed with this,
Is
good luck.
Let's go into the competition. Okay, it is a few hours later, and it's time to play Who Knows Each Other Better. The loser gets this pretty much thrown at their face.
Yep.
To put it lightly. Alright, we're going to have 4 questions each, and whoever has the most points is the winner, and if it's a draw, then we'll just keep doing questions until there's the winner. If you could have any animal as a pet, what would it be?
Oh, well,
Sorry, that's the luck of the draw.
This is pretty
I wonder what it would be.
I know, this is a pretty hard one.
Alright, let's
Good
see.
luck trying to guess this. It is cats.
Yeah! Alright, I'll take that easy point.
Okay, who is their favourite band, musician, or singer? I know this one.
Who is my favourite band?
I know this one pretty well. I've got 2 written down.
Ready, set, go.
Sum 41.
Yep.
Yes, I put
Alright,
Sum
good
41 and
job.
Blink 182 because.
Well, I love Blink 182 as well. Alright, that's 1 point each. What is your favourite fast food chain or restaurant?
Ooh,
Ready,
guessing it is.
set, go.
I put Sombreros.
I put Live Eat. I was gonna put Zambreros. No point for this guy. This slime just got a little bit closer to my face.
What word would they use to describe themselves?
Okay, that's interesting. I don't know what one word I would use.
I think, I don't know.
Alright, ready, set, go.
Unique.
Strange.
Oh.
I was gonna put unique, but I put strange, so no
Okay.
point. But that was close. What is their favourite television show?
Yeah, I don't even know myself, but I'm putting a pretty good one then.
Alright, ready, set, go.
Gossip Girl.
Big Bang. That's your turn. That's still 1 point for me. Can you take the lead?
Oh, what is their favourite meal?
Ah, great. Alright, well this is going to be an easy point for Kaylee.
Okay.
Alright, ready?
Yep.
set, go.
Chicken palmies.
Chicken veg, yeah, which is pretty much the same thing. Chicken palmy
So do I
comes
get
with
a point?
vegetables, yeah.
Yes.
If they could have any job, what would it be?
I'll give you a tip. It's not really anything outrageous, okay?
Alright, let's check then. Ready, set, go. I said
Veterinarian.
singer or vet. Yes!
Ah!
I actually got it right. Oh my gosh. So now if Kaylia gets this point, she wins. If she doesn't get it, then we go into overtime.
Oh, what is her favourite thing about me? Yes, thank you.
What is
This is
my
an
favourite
easy-
thing about you? Alright, ready, set, go. What did you write?
Height and butt.
You didn't write kindness?
You always like. Yeah, since when do you always like say that I'm kind?
If I had to pick one. Sorry. Alright, overtime then. What would they name their child if they had one in the future? Alright, ready, set, go. I put SpongeBob.
I've told you it before. Maylena.
How the heck am I meant to remember Maylena?
What is their favourite possession? Ready, set, and
Go.
I put a few down.
What did you put?
I put phone, laptop, or Xbox.
I put laptop, phone, Xbox.
Yes!
No! No! Well done.
I know him more than he knows himself.
Looks like I'm getting slime.
He's getting slimed.
Oh
Here
gosh.
goes.
Oh, no.
Ready? Are you ready?
No, this is so. Ah! Oh, no! No! Oh, it's gonna stick to my face. To my head.
There we go,
Well,
guys.
thanks for watching, guys. We hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and we will see you next time.
Yes.
See ya.
See ya.